What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're in the same clothes as the last video. And you know why that is? Because we're out here grinding, trying to get stuff done on N54 for the 335i. Yeah, so pretty much as you saw last video, we got, you know, a lot of the engine stuff wrapped up and we have everything mocked up here. If you didn't watch that video, go and check that out right here. But as I said in the last video, we need to put on the downpipe still, and we also need to wrap up the drive shaft and mount that up to the trans, so then that way everything under the car is done except the exhaust, which actually with the downpipes on, we could finish the exhaust too.
Yep, downpipes and exhaust.
So that's not a bad idea. So that's the goal for today's video. All right, so the first downpipe we're gonna put on is the rear one, and then after that we're gonna put on the front one. So the way that they look is, yeah, something along those lines.
What? Ta-da!
Yeah, pretty much just like that. So this one is going to be the one that goes on first. This is for the rear turbo. And let's get underneath the car and show them how everything kind of looks.
Let's do it.
All right, so as you can see right there, that is the rear turbo. And then this one right there is the front turbo. So the rear one Steve's gonna put on first, because as you can see, you loosen up the steering rack right here, and you have a lot easier access to visibly seeing that. The hard part is trying to get the downpipe in and get the V-band clamp around it. It's actually pretty challenging.
Well, the hard part is to get the downpipe in with the O2 sensor, which I don't think we can do.
So Steve was right, yeah, you have to take the O2 sensor out of the closest part to the turbos. So that's what we did. Let's get it on!
It's definitely tight. Ta-da!
At last.
At last, my love has come along.
Well, it's close to being on. Let's see if we can get this V-band around the downpipe. After a long fight, the rear one is finally on. These downpipes suck. What do you think about the downpipe?
I hate downpipes.
Yeah.
You should have just gone single.
This is what makes people want a single turbo their N54s. These downpipes and outlets and everything suck. I should have just went with like an on-3 kit and then got a freaking. This is garbage.
All right, guys.
Holy shit.
All right, guys, we got some great news. As you can see, Pat is extremely excited. Pat, what happened?
Well, there's supposed to be V-bands that connect, you know, the downpipes to the turbos. And they open up a little bit, you know. You gotta give them some room.
Just a little bit. Well, just to let you guys know, this is the V-band, and the V-band is supposed to be one piece. But does this look like one piece to you guys? No. So, unfortunately, it was opened a little too much, and the little hinge part broke. So we can't put the second downpipe on right now. So we're gonna have to, well, Pat's gonna have to order another V-band, and we're gonna have to wait for it to come in so we can put the other downpipe on, and we can finish the exhaust, and we can put the drive shaft.
And you wanna know the best part, guys? Today, the day we're filming this video, is a Friday, meaning that even if I order this, it's probably not gonna be here till Monday.
Monday? Where the hell are you going over for it to come in on Monday? I'd say more like Wednesday or Thursday. I wonder if AutoZone will have it, or Pep Boys.
Yeah, AutoZone and Pep Boys will have it.
Yeah, so Pat's gonna have to order this stuff as he kicks the parts into the darkness and breaks a window somewhere. So Pat's gonna have to order another one, and then we'll be able to continue this another day, because this pretty much is done for today. So this video will be continued another day.
Well, here we are, back for the next day. We do have some good news. First of all, number one, I need a haircut really bad. I've been noticing while editing the videos that my hair is absolute freaking mess. And the good news is, I have another V-band. So, actually what ended up happening was, upstairs I have the stock downpipes that my uncle gave me with the car also. So I actually had the two stock V-bands that were on the stock downpipes. So, you know, worked out for me. I got pretty lucky. So now we're going to continue on with the process, and now I'm by myself, unfortunately. So filming is going to be very difficult. I'm not going to be able to bring the camera down there with me and show you guys what's going on. So we'll pretty much just do like a little update once I get the downpipe on. Alright, so as you can see, the downpipes are finally both on. I do have to still put the O2 sensors in, which you can kind of see where this one, you can actually see where both flanges are. So once we put the O2 sensors on, it pretty much wraps up the whole downpipe thing. We'll just tighten the downpipes up and then retighten the turbos. That way everything's positioned correctly. Then we could put the drive shaft on underneath the car here. I have to put the drive shaft on right here, and then we can bolt up the exhaust, and then we're pretty much done underneath the car. Alright, so the downpipes are all wrapped up, the O2 sensors are all wrapped up. Everything pretty much underneath the car is done. The drive shaft, not yet. But what we're going to do now is this whole cluster of wiring really sucks, but this all has to start getting plugged back in. So the goal is I'm going to put you guys on the tripod, and then we're going to, you know, kind of lay all these wires out. The good thing about this is that since it's the stock motor, all the wiring and the connections are in the general area where they need to be, and all these plugs are pretty much all different. So it shouldn't be too difficult, but there is a lot of wiring. So I'm just gonna lay everything out, and then we'll start plugging stuff back in. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. As you guys saw from the time lapse, we got a lot done here. I mean, look at this. This is the only thing that's pretty much not wired up. Besides that, we have all the cam and Vano sensors on here. This whole cluster of wires, it actually was pretty damn easy to wire up. There's still stuff that's like underneath behind the trans that I need to plug up, but I mean, we're really moving here, boys. Like, we're really coming along. Like, next is probably just gonna be, you know, finish up whatever wiring is left, and then you know, put on the intercooler and the bumper. So that's gonna be all for today's video. Hope you guys are enjoying the build. If you are, definitely be sure to go down and, you know, click that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. But that's how we're gonna end tonight. So always remember, work hard, stay humble.